Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Fortnite game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games launcher on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, just click on the search box and then type in and search for the Fortnite game. Once you find the game, just click on it and you will see the Get button. Once you click on this button, it will be added onto your library. From your library, just click on this game and then choose the install location. Make sure Create Shortcut is selected and then click on the install button. And now this will begin the download and installation of the Fortnite game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Fortnite game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.